Hey there, welcome to Tech2. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your LinkedIn account verified through your PC. So first, you need to open your preferred web browser and go in and log into the LinkedIn profile through their website. So this is uh, a homepage and it will somewhat look like this. This is just a dummy account. So in order to verify your account, you're gonna click on profile right there. It says me, and click on view profile. So now you're gonna click on verify now, which is just beside your username or your name. So now you're gonna click on this right there, either this button or just wherever. So now what you're gonna do is take your phone out and download the LinkedIn app. Just scan this, and that's it, and just follow the steps on your phone, and that will lead you or your profile to be verified. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.